with faint glowing stars bent around it. Imagine looking up at the night sky and realizing that something enormous just parked itself right outside our solar system. Not a new star, not an alien mothership, but a giant black hole. Yeah, the kind of thing that eats stars for breakfast. What happens to us if that monster suddenly shows up next door? First, let's set the stage. Our solar system has the sun in the middle, planets circling happily around it, and a bubble of icy comets way out in the Oort cloud. Now picture a black hole appearing just past that bubble, say, a few light years away. That's basically cosmic next door. A black hole, in case you're new to this, is what happens when a massive star collapses under its own weight. Gravity becomes so strong that not even light can escape. Space itself gets bent around it. It's not just an object, it's more like a trapdoor in reality. So what if one appeared, fully formed, right outside our neighborhood? Let's walk through it step by step. At first, you might think we'd be instantly sucked in, like water going down a drain. But nope, that's movie physics. Black holes don't vacuum everything up instantly. If the sun were replaced by a black hole of the same mass, Earth would keep orbiting normally. It would just get really cold because, well, no sunlight. But in our scenario, this isn't a sun-sized black hole. Let's make it interesting. Imagine something 100 million times heavier than the sun. That's the kind of beast you usually find in the centers of galaxies. And now it's camping a couple of light years away from us. The first big effect? Gravity wars. The black hole's pull would start tugging on the Oort cloud, yanking comets out of their icy orbits and sending them raining inward. Suddenly, the solar system becomes a cosmic shooting gallery, with Earth as a potential target. If you thought dodging asteroids was bad, try dodging a million frozen snowballs all at once. Next, the planets themselves. Over thousands of years, the black hole's pull would destabilize orbits. Neptune and Uranus, the outer planets, would feel it first. Their nice calm paths around the sun would warp and twist, like a record skipping on a turntable. Some planets might get slingshot completely out of the solar system. Goodbye, Neptune. It was nice knowing you. The sun wouldn't escape either. Eventually, the black hole would start dragging our entire solar system toward it. Think of it as a slow-motion interstellar kidnapping. To us humans, living only about 100 years, it would feel gradual, maybe no dramatic changes right away. But over millions of years, the whole solar system would spiral closer and closer until the sun itself got stretched and devoured. Now, here's the weird part. As the black hole approaches, it would create bizarre light shows. Its gravity bends light around it, so the stars behind it would warp and smear like a cosmic funhouse mirror. You'd look up at the night sky and see strange glowing rings, Einstein rings, where starlight gets bent in perfect circles. Beautiful, terrifying, and also a great reminder that you should probably move to another galaxy. But here's the kicker. If a black hole that massive appeared right outside our solar system, we probably wouldn't even have time to worry about being eaten. Why? Because the sheer appearance of it, out of nowhere, would break physics. You can't just pop in 100 million suns worth of mass without consequences. Space-time itself would shake. The entire Milky Way would notice. Stars would shift, orbits would crack, gravitational waves would ripple everywhere. In short, reality as we know it would get a hard reset. It wouldn't just be bad news for Earth. It would be bad news for the galaxy. We'd all be living inside the black hole's new gravitational empire. So, what if a giant black hole appeared right outside our solar system? First, chaos in the Oort cloud. Then planets flung out of orbit. Then, eventually, our sun, and everything around it, pulled into the abyss. And if the black hole is truly massive, the entire galaxy might feel the shake. But hey, the good news is, this can actually happen. Black holes don't just appear out of nowhere. They're formed from stars dying, and there are no stars massive enough that close to us. So we're safe, at least, until we go looking for trouble near the center of the Milky Way. So, what do you think? Would you rather face a rogue black hole or a full-scale alien invasion? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you had fun falling into this thought experiment, give the video a like and subscribe for more wild science what-ifs. Who knows what we'll imagine next time?